Our bronze medalist, the Bald Ibis, has been extinct in Europe for more than 300 years. Now, thanks to some groundbreaking breeding programs, they're getting a second shot at their ancestral flight paths. But as these birds have been raised in captivity, they've never migrated. So, they must be shown the way. Imprinted human foster parents act as guides, like a migrational GPS. The route kicks off in Germany, leading them over the mighty Alps to their winter hangout in Italy. The epic journey spans 20 days, with each ibis powering through up to 300 kilometers in a single day. A legendary feat for birds that are only just learning the ropes. Science is now revealing how the flying migrators complete this grueling journey. The secret is a combination of teamwork, timing, and flying formation. Scientists have always suspected that a V-shaped flight path gives a major edge. But data loggers fitted to these ibis reveal just how much of a boost it really gives. These birds have mastered aerodynamics. The lead ibis puts in the hard yards to give those in its wake a boost. Upwash from its wing beats create lift for the trailing birds. The formation must time their wing beats to capture the beneficial airstream. Like a cycling team, each ibis takes a stint at the front to do the hard work. They may need to learn the route, but their aerodynamic V formation comes from instinct alone.